The Evans Family Law Group, providing a full spectrum of family law services.
Another starting presumption in the family law code that's often a central component, whether it's a custody case or a divorce matter, is child support. How much is he going to have to pay me, or how much am I going to have to pay? And the truth of the matter is, if you have a standard case where somebody just works 40 hours a week and they're paid just like that on an hourly basis, there's no overtime, there's no commissions, there's no stock bonuses, there's no ESOP plans, there's no friends benefits, as they say, meaning you don't get a lot of things reimbursed, or there's company cars. If it's a straight and narrow kind of situation and we don't have kids with special needs and there's not some unusual circumstance, it's pretty easy to calculate child support. According to the guidelines, that's what most people call it, the standard guidelines. And you know, for one kiddo, it's basically 20% of what's called net resources, or 25% if you have two kiddos of what's called net resources. Oftentimes, what's important is not those scenarios. What's important is when you enter the other world, which is, I'm not that guy, or my husband is not that guy, or the dad is not that person. This dad, or me as a dad, I'm a professional who has I own my own business. I have my own company. He pays himself. He has multiple accounts, multiple bank accounts. He pays other people. You know, and so it gets very, very complicated. And so what a case like that requires is a compilation of experts and really litigation, because you have to go out and get the information, because it's often the case that when you go into litigation, suddenly you make nowhere near the amount of money that you used to, or you don't have it on hand. And so if you're hiring me to go after that money, you have to have an attorney who's got the skill set, frankly, that we do in the tax, finance, and bank background that we do to go get those records.
When life's path takes an unplanned turn, call the Evans Family Law Group for a consultation at 628-2550.